And what's up with Mr. Kitty? Sorry, I'm not a good photographer. Oh, what do you want? Stop. He likes to play in the dirt. What are you looking at? Well, you like playing in the dirt. There's a weird bird. Oh my god, that's his little fang face. I wish I could have zoomed up. He has a little fang face where his teeth show. You silly, mister. Don't eat nothing. Sorry, I stuck in my head. Oh, there he goes. You rolling? You rolling? Yeah, that's a digging spot. He's like a little doggy. No, come back. You're ruining it. You're gonna dig? You're gonna roll. Just gonna walk away from me. You're so kind to your owner. Well, it's like zoomed up a little. He's walking away. That's the house. They're working on the back deck. And he's just gonna sit there. Mister! Mister! Well, bye.